The Ready Set Go collection from Perma Blend ticks all the boxes for PMU artists anywhere who are looking for high quality, stable brow pigments. Want to find out more? Then keep watching. The pre-modified formula means that undertones are accounted for, and you won't see your clients returning with unwanted tones in their healed brows. If your client is very cool, you can add some warm mud to your chosen colour or colours to eliminate the risk of any ashy tones. This set really does cover all bases. One of the best things about Ready Set Go is that the pigments within the set have been created with the Perma Blend LUXE formulation. Not only does this mean that the colours are batch tested and colour calibrated for accuracy, but they are also 100% REACH compliant, so artists anywhere in the world can use them. Shades include Ready Blonde, Ready Medium, Ready Ash, Ready Dark and Ready Darkest, as well as the Warm Mud modifying pigment. Colours can be used neat, or you can mix shades to achieve the perfect colour match. Each set also comes with a colour chart, which makes pigment selection and colour matching easier than ever before. Thanks to the powerful pigment load, Perma Blend LUXE heals vibrant in the skin and produces long-lasting, stable results. The LUXE formula is 100% research-driven and has been thoroughly tested to create the best quality pigment for PMU artists. If you're looking for maximum convenience and want one set to suit all your clients, you can order the Ready Set Go collection now via the link in the description below. At Killer Beauty, we also give you the option to purchase individual shades from this set, which is perfect for when you run out of your most popular colours and don't want to repurchase the entire set. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for product reviews, free educational content and exclusive artist interviews. Only available on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel.